Today we're working on Excel Expert Lesson 5, the ninth and final lesson of Lesson 5, using Cell Watch. So in this worksheet, each employee's annual bonus, wouldn't it be nice to have a bonus, is calculated using the bonus rate at the top of the worksheet. The bonus rate is limited to the amount of money available to pay, $200,000 for the purpose of this exercise. Column D calculates each employee's bonus. The total bonus amount is at the bottom of the list, but you're going to need to adjust the bonus rate while watching the total bonus amount. You can accomplish this by setting up a Cell Watch window. On the Formulas tab, click the Formulas tab, and the Formulas Auditing group right here, we're going to click Watch Window. Look at there, we've got a watch window. A blank watch window appears. Make the watch window bigger by clicking and dragging the bottom right corner. Click Add Watch right there. With the content selected in the selection box, scroll down in the worksheet and select cell D36. D36. The Add Watch dialog box now shows this reference. You can see that it shows it right there. Click the Add button. The watch window now has this cell reference. Scroll back to the top of the worksheet. Move the watch window to an area where you can see it, but can update cell B1 easily. So I think we've done that. Change the bonus rate in cell B1 until D36 is as close to $200,000 as possible. You can exceed that amount by no more than $499. So let's change this to 14%. And you see that right here it took it down to 226. So let's change it to 12%. We can go higher. So let's go to 13%. 13% is 210. So that's still too much. So let's go 12.75. It rounded it up to 12.8. Still too much. Let's go 12.6 or 12.5. It's 202. Let's go 12.3. Oh, we can go higher. 12.4. There you go. That one will work. Value is 200,458. So 12.4 is what I'm putting in there, and I'm gonna. It's my final answer. Select D36 in the cell reference in the watch window. Click Delete Watch, and then close the watch window. Mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. There you go. We just used the Cell Watch, and this completes Lesson 5. One more Excel lesson and we'll be done.